Welcome to Buddhist Phat Home Memorial College. We are students in Form 3A. We are a group of 4 students. Alex Hika Tsun is the leader. The other members are Huang Lok Fan, Gurung Rijia, and Lai Kam Po, Ken. Mr. Roytset, who teaches geography and liberal studies, is our guiding teacher. Thanks to him for inspiring team collaboration and innovation.
Our project is titled Earth is Dying. Why do we cover this topic? We went to Ta Kwu Ling landfill in northeast New Territories of Hong Kong, recorded the filthy polyhedron of Hong Kong with technology, and explored it with our noses, and the stench soared into the sky. Therefore, we want Hong Kong to breathe fresh air, not just for Hong Kong but also for China, Asia, the world, and the universe. Based on real photos, we need to clean the air. Our best wishes go out to you.
Alex, our leader, worked part-time. Sometimes he went to the landfill in northeast New Territories. In order to depict such a large amount of trash, he took many photos. There is so much solid waste. Solid waste includes household waste, commercial waste, industrial waste, construction waste, and special waste. There was an average daily quantity of 14,739 tons, which is the equivalent of 70 whales. It is possible to build the trash of solid waste up the highest mountain of Thai Shan every day. Does this cause landslides during the summer? That would be awful.
What are the benefits of reducing and recycling waste? There are unsustainable amounts of waste in Hong Kong in such a small geographical area, so everyone should be aware of what can be done to improve the situation. Our landfills will run out of space soon if waste levels continue to rise. We must all take responsibility and act now. Despite the practice of solid waste reduction and recycling, there is still a lot of pressure on landfills. Nearly all of the landfill space is occupied. Let us use less, recycle, buy less.
Why is the Earth weeping? How does landfill affect climate change? Methane gas is released as organic matter decomposes in landfills. The sun absorbs more heat through methane than carbon dioxide, making it one of the most potent greenhouse gases and a major contributor to climate change. The more trash produced, the more greenhouse gases are produced. As a result, carbon dioxide remains trapped. This leads to a rise in global temperatures. The result is that our planet becomes uncomfortable. That's why Earth is crying.
When the Earth is full of trash, astronauts and spaceships can transport the trash to landfills on other planets. What a huge expense! The universe is polluted irreversibly. Wouldn't it be better to dump the waste on a distant planet or in space? Although we could do it, it would be ridiculous to even try since it would cost so much money. Even if we created a space shuttle that was solely dedicated to moving waste to another planet. But that doesn't account for high fuel prices, salaries of pilots and crews, telecommunicator pay, resource price when being launched into space. A lot more.
Crow is a symbol of adaptability, cleverness, and teamwork. When we see large flocks of crows flying over the landfill, it means death and death. Crows are not good luck for humans. A black crow represents poor hygiene, air pollution, land pollution, and land degradation. A black crow represents black garbage bags. The scene in a landfill is disgusting.
Wow! In front of us, 3 Earths are loaded into the truck. Imagine how many planets we would need if everyone polluted the environment like we pollute the environment with an uncountable amount of trash. As humans leave physical footprints in the sand, they leave impacts on the environment around them due to carbon emissions. A carbon footprint is the impact that individual humans have on the environment, measured in terms of how much carbon they release into the atmosphere.
God, I'm so sorry. Our group leader, Alex, found that every truck carries at least one Earth. We are at risk of losing our planet. Humanity is doomed. A growing population and economic activity often lead to a greater impact on the environment and sharper declines in species and ecosystems. A variety of economic, social, and environmental problems are exacerbated.
The tsunami is flooding the coastal area and destroying people's lives and properties. As a result of lack of capital, low level of education, lack of advanced technology and poor governance, it has the most influence in developing countries. There will be massive destruction, like a tsunami. This is a man-made disaster.
Now we are at the end of our last session. Can you recall the title of our project? Earth is dying. Increasing landfills make it difficult to breathe. Fresh air is needed. There are hills of trash. Let's breathe fresh air. Recycling and source reduction are inefficient measures. We want clean air. The earth is weeping. The air needs to be fresh. Astronauts will deliver the trash to the planets. The galaxy will be devoid of fresh air. Crows are everywhere. Let's breathe fresh air and see blue skies. There is an increase in footprints. There are more and more damages to the earth. The earth and the air deserve protection. A tsunami of garbage. There are big waves of trash. I hope the air will be clean. Our best and last wishes are for clean air. We'll win.